Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Academy, where you can aim for higher goals, aware of those goals, and achieve them through Academy. Academy is for you to take the right decision, to move in the right direction, and to reach at the right destination. Hello everyone, in this lesson, we aim for how to create the CAD face cell maps. Okay, we have a face of a CAD body, and we need to create a cell map with respect to that CAD face and generate the respective lattices. Okay, for suppose you want to generate or create different type of like if you want to add a lattice on a particular face, so in that case it is very important, and this section and this lesson will be useful for you. So please be careful and just follow me. So in this lesson we mainly aim for how to create how to import the CAD body, and then next create a CAD face variable, then add the CAD face cell maps, then we can add the particular lattice structure on it. Okay, so first we can give the file name as CAD face variable. Okay, CAD face variable, CAD face cell maps, not variable, cell maps, and we can give the description as the design of lattices on the CAD CAD face CAD face cell maps. Okay, and we can give the section name as lattices on the CAD face cell maps. Okay, now for this we first of all we need a CAD face cell map. Okay, so we can go to lattice tab. Earlier we learned the different cell maps. So in today's lesson I will explain you about the earlier we learned about the rectangular cell map and cylindrical cell map and spherical cell map. Okay, in today's lesson I will explain you how to use the cell map from the CAD face. Okay, so here it is saying that we can construct a cell map from a CAD face. So for that we require CAD body. So we cannot generate from the implicit body within the nTopology. So if you want to create the cell map of a given CAD body, you need to import the CAD body from other sources. So you must have the particular CAD body. From the CAD body you need to create the CAD face. From the CAD face we can able to create the cell map, and that cell map can be used for periodic lattice structures. Okay, I will explain you one by one. So let's select this, or you can also get it from directly cell map. If you type here cell map, cell map from CAD face, so we can also get it from the search ad block. Okay, so let's delete one of them. Yeah, here what do we observe? We need to define some of the geometrical parameters. The most important one is face. So we need to define which face we are going to choose. So face of what? CAD body. So do we have CAD body now? We don't have, isn't it? For that we need to import the CAD body. So in earlier lesson I have explained you how to import the CAD body in detail. So please go through that. Now let's import the CAD body. So how can we import it? Let's go to utility block from Exchange tab. Here we have the option of import part. So let's select this import part, and here from here we can select our path of the CAD body. Yeah, we have one CAD body. So let's select this. Now open that part. Now we have imported the our body. So now we just imported the body, but here can we place this imported body? No. Why? Because it is asking us to place the face only. So do we have face now? We don't have. So how can we create it? We need to make a variable of face. How can we make it? Yes, I will explain you. So let's select this. Suppose this is our entire body. So what do we observe here? For suppose here it has a black color boundaries, and within that boundaries we have the respective body. Okay, it has different. See, when I'm selecting here, it is selected particular outer face, and this selected this face, and this one is selected this face, and this one is selected this face. Okay, even if you see here, even it is selecting the vertices, isn't it? And even it is selecting the edges. So like that we can select any one of them. So let's select this one particular face. So as it is asking the face, or we can select this face. Okay, this particular face, it is highlighted in the light blue color, and just right click on it. What do we observe here? Here we can create a CAD face variable. We can also create a CAD implicit body from CAD face. So let's create the CAD face variable that we want. Okay, yes. Now we have created the CAD face variable. We can rename it as CAD face 1. Okay, we have renamed it. Now let's keep this as it is. Now we can place this particular CAD face. Now see, after after holding this, and what do we observe? It is automatically highlighted. It is suggesting that you can place within me. Okay, let's place this. We have placed it. Now here we need to define how much count we want to give u v w directions, okay, within this body. So for suppose I will explain you like u count and v count and z like x in x direction. Suppose in this direction x and y and z direction, how many counts we want. So for suppose we can give the 5 and 0 and 0. So are we able to generate? No, right? So for suppose 5 then 5. So let's minimize this. Yeah, we need to also define the height, then only it is able to generate. For suppose let's give the height as 5 also. Yes, and yeah, now we have created, this is our particular cell map. Okay, this is our body, this is our particular cell map. Okay, so but like we want to we want to create a, for suppose, yeah, here it is showing the direction, isn't it? This red color is indicating the u direction, and this direction is w direction, and this one is v direction. For suppose I want to give the u direction as 3. So oh sorry, 53, it is u's. 3 means c. Now this v axis is means divided into 3, isn't it? 3 rows. So like that, even if you create like if you give the v as 2, now this is v axis, now it is divided into 2 sections. For suppose if you give this w as 4, yeah, in the direction 4, and if you give the height as 1, as small as, so this is 1 height. Or suppose if you give the height as some like 10, so 10 mm. So this is how you can able to, or suppose you can divide this 1. See, this is how we can able to generate our particular cell map by selecting the given face. Okay, now we want to generate the particular lattice. For suppose you can give the 2 and the 2. Okay, so now we want to create a mm, lattice within this cell map. So how can we do that? So again, let's go to the lattices tab and select this, and select the particular periodic lattice, and give the cell map within this uh, cell map block, and let's select the unit cell type. As I explained in previous lectures, there are various type of unit cells. So let's select the graph unit cell. Now we can give the unit cell as like a body center cube. Okay, this is our particular body center cube unit cell, and it is going to place within this cube. Give the thickness parameter as 0.25. Let's see. So this is how it can generate. For suppose it is already generated. Now we can change this parameter into suppose 10, 10, 10. Okay, and wait. We can wait for some time, because this time we have given various parameters. See, for suppose if we give the height as a 5. Okay, this is how we can create a one more layer with respect to that face. Okay, so for suppose if you give the w as 1, w count as 1. See, this is a single layer of given cell map. Okay, so now we have learned how to create the how to create the lattice with respect to the given CAD face. Okay, so we have achieved how to create the lattice structure with respect to the CAD face cell map. So for that, initially we have selected the cell map with respect to the CAD cell map, and then we have imported the part from our given directory, and we created the particular CAD face, and then we just imported this like a CAD face into the placed this CAD face within the face block, and then we have defined various UVW count, and then we define the height. So we can tune this parameter as per our requirements. Then we selected the lattice tab, and we defined our particular periodic lattice, and then there we define the graph unit cell and the various thickness value. So like that, we have generated the our particular lattice with respect to the CAD face variable. So I hope you understood. So if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment. So I can explain you. Now you can also play with other faces. For suppose, let me minimize this. For suppose you want to create the lattice means a particular displays. So how can you able to do that? You can practice it. Uh, Practice it. So let me do this. Let's create this CAD face. Okay. Now we have generated, which one it is this now? Just let's rename it as CAD face 2. Okay. We have renamed it. So our next step is let's place this. Okay. After this, our next step is like yeah. Our next step is like cell map you need to select, isn't with cell map. Yeah. Let's place this after our catfish 2. Now let's place this catfish within space and give the UV values and height as 5. And yeah, see, now it is able to generate the particular value of UV count with respect to this face. So like that you can generate as much as you need with respect to given constraints. For suppose if I give the 10, here it is giving the dimensions like not dimensions like it is indicating the axis. This is U axis, red color, and W. Okay, if you give the height as 10, it will increase. Suppose 11, suppose 12. Now it is entirely filled now. Even if you give the suppose 20, 20, let's see. Now see how perfectly it is filled within this, isn't it? So like this we can able to fill the particular lattice and cell map. Now we have created the cell map. Using the cell map we can able to generate the respective periodic lattice. For that we can select the periodic lattice from the lattice tab. So and then let's place this cell map within this cell map block, and we can define the gyroid shape. So let's place this gyroid unit cell wall TPMS unit cell, and now we can place this, select the gyroid unit cell. So this is our gyroid, and we can give the thickness parameter as 0.1 mm, and let's see what is going to happen. Now it is generating, so let's wait for some time. Yeah, we are able to generate this. So it is so complicated, isn't it? We can give the size point 0.01 mm thickness. Oh, 0.01, like 0.2. Lovely. See, it has filled now. Now it is perfectly filled within our given wide space. For suppose if somebody wants to view it, view its cross section view. Let's turn on the cross section view. Oh, what I will do this. Let's select this one. Which section it is? Yeah. See, isn't it? This is how one can able to fill the respective CAD map. Okay. I hope you have learned something new today. So in this lesson, we have achieved how to import the part and how to create the CAD body variable, CAD face variable from the imported part. Then we have generated the cell map with respect to the CAD face and created respective periodic lattice by selecting the given domain. So I hope you have understood this. So with this, I'm closing. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment. Thank you.